Alam nyo, minsan, masarap ibalik ang nakaraan, lalo na pag masarap itong ulam. Kaya magluluto tayo ngayon ng sipo egg with shrimps and vegetables. Let's start cooking! So, ito siya yung isang dish na sobrang daming sahog na medyo nakaka-intimidate, pero I will teach you how to do it and how to think about it para maging simple sa isipan nyo. Ito, oil and butter or margarine. We will add our garlic and onions. Maganda dito, white onions, kaso mahal. So, red onions na lang. Yan. So, what we will do, we will add flour, harina, 2 tablespoons. Ito siya. This will serve as like a stabilizer. So, in a way, para tayong gumagawa ng bechamel. So, gisa-gisa tayo dito. Then, we will add our stock. Mix natin. And ito, dito na magsisimula yung tunawin natin, no? So, this is the base natin. At maalala ko tong dish na to, kasi sikat na sikat to sa mga catering before, no? And gustong-gusto ko to nung bata ako dahil may quail eggs, may itlog ng pugo. Diba? Pag may itlog ng pugo, yung bata, diba, natutuwa. So, what we will do here, this is all our vegetables. We will start with the vegetables that cook the longest, like the carrots. Lagyan na natin yung mushrooms natin. No? Lagyan na natin yung ating singkamas. Ito, pang padami to. Walang singkamas, pwede ding sayote. Mix natin. This one will take some time to cook. So, ito, look at that, no? Hindi siya bumabagsak. Mukha na siyang creamy. Wala pa siyang cream. And what we want to do here, we want to cook our hard vegetables. Malala ko nung bata ko, meron din siyang tinatawag na water chestnuts, no? So, nabibili siya na delata. Pero ngayon, medyo mahirap siya hanapin. But you can also add that here. Ang original talaga nito, water chestnuts. Ang replacement natin is the singkamas kasi mas affordable siya. Season natin ng konting salt para may lasa na siya. Ito na siya yung ating ibang vegetables, no? So we want to make sure that our carrots and our singkamas are cooked. At tatakpan natin siya to conserve the heat para hindi masyadong maaksaya sa gas. I think this is done. Look at that, no? Very nice. Ating sauce. No, wala pa siyang cream, ha? Take note. So, ang key lang nito, isipin mo, gagawin mo yung sauce base mo and add whatever you want, no? Yung iba, nilalagyan din nila ng canned cream of mushroom. Pero ito, sa atin, simpleng-simple lang yung gamit natin. Cream lang. Now, we will add our other vegetables. Red bell peppers, ham, slices. Kung allergic sa shrimp, pwede din tong chicken. You replace the shrimp with chicken. Yung shrimp natin, season natin beforehand, before adding. Sweet peas and chicharo, then shrimp. So, yung ating ginagawa, yung ating shrimp, asinan natin ahead of time para yung excess water niya ma-release. And yung shrimp mo magiging mas firm. No? Pag kinain mo shrimp, parang fresh na fresh yung dating kasi mas may bite. Siya, di ba gusto natin kumain tayo ng shrimp? Ayaw natin ng malata. Gusto natin may snap. And you do that by salting or seasoning your shrimp ahead of time. Tatakpan ko siya ng konti to let it cook more quickly. Kasi pag tumagal yung cooking mo, mangyayari, magiging lata siya. We want our vegetables to still be firm. Another thing you can do also is to blanch your vegetable para ma-set yung color niya. No? Hindi siya maninilaw, hindi siya magiging yellowish after, no? Hindi siya mag-brown para matingkad pa rin yung kulay. And we're done. We're almost done. Lutuin lang natin yung ating shrimp. But before the shrimp is fully cooked, and ako, I don't like using black pepper here. I like using white pepper para napaka-clean ng ating sauce tignan. All-purpose cream. You can also use cooking cream. Very nice. Ang ganda. And white pepper. Wag black pepper. Kung maaari, wag black pepper para you have the peppery flavor. Pero yung sauce mo will stay white. O, diba? Yan. We're done. Bilis maluto, no? I will add a few here. Magtira ako pang garnish ko. And I'm ready to serve. Mga old-fashioned recipes na medyo nawawala na ngayon. Babalik natin. Kasi not only is it, delicious, pero, of course, part din siya ng ating tradition. So, ito, masarap to siya. You can use it as topping or ihaluan mo siya ng pasta, fettuccine, or penne. Di ba napaka-social? And I really like this recipe kasi sobrang daling gawin. After you make the sauce, parang add ka lang ng add na ingredients mo at ilalaga mo hanggang maluto siya, no? It's not complicated, basta na-prepare mo na lahat. And ito, shrimp natin. Di ba napaka-social kung kumain? Kasi, of course, nandyan ang pamilya, you have to behave. Yan. Quail egg. Yan. Ang ating sipo egg. Old recipe. Pwede mo lagyan ng fried garlic or fried bacon on top. Oh my God. Ito na ating simple holiday recipe for today. Ating sipo egg with shrimps and vegetables. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!